Good day, Doctor. My name is Amani and my mention number is AF200136. We are Group 11 and our project title is Sunway University, Ganjia Branch. Our group members have Kong Kit, Lau Jianping, Lim Zhouyi, Lin Yan, Ng Ganqi, and me. Here, I would like to present the project breakdown. There are some characteristics of this project. The project significance is crucial for effective management and decision making. Besides, the business can impact, which is the decision tied to economic theory such as demand, pricing, cost, production, competition, trade cycles, and natural income. Besides that, it will increasing complexity, the design and manufacturing complexity, as well as financial responsibility of engineer. Not only for that, modern engineer skill. It is deeper comprehension of economy fundamentals for qualification and success. It also will more core focus in the systematic evaluation of design analysis, advantages and disadvantages. It encompasses position of goods and services at the fair price. Not only for that, the project engineer's role in this project, it will conduct research and devise strategy for economic solution. The interdisciplinary, natural and key objective equals engineer with tools for resource allocation, cost management, and project reliability optimization. The central tenets will guide decision maker in selecting economically sound solution. Besides, the financial implication assessment is more essential for strategy and sustainable decision making. Not only for that, the guiding principle such as time value of money, cash flow analysis, and cost estimation. Lastly, the proportional impact will contribute to the success and stability of project and organization. Next, I would like to present our project objective. There are three objectives such as to apply the benefit cost relation method for the economic evaluation of the project. Next, to analyze the company's performance and financial status by examining the company financial report to ascertain the operations of proposing the project. Lastly, to determine the most suitable life cycle cost method using principal engineering economy principle. Next, I would like to present company background. Sunway Construction Berhad Samcon is a top construction company in Malaysia. It provides a wide range of services such as building, infrastructure, foundation, engineering, MEP, precast concrete, and sustainable energy. Besides, the company uses virtual design and construction BDC technology for a competitive edge. Not only for that, the company brings over 40 years of industry experience. It also tailors integrated and cost-effective solution for clients. Not only for that, the company ensures effective end-to-end solution. Besides, this company maintains control over timely delivery and quality. It also BDC technology strengthens the construction services and business. Not only for that, the company prioritizes sustainable true energy service. Lastly, this company demonstrates commitment to excellence in construction services. Here, I would like to present the Samcon detail. In the slide, there are some details of the company. The vision of this company is to be a leading regional construction and engineering group. The mission of Samcon is innovating to deliver value underpin the relentless effort to drive positive and sustainable change in the way Samcon work and operate to create value of all the stakeholders of the Samcon. Not only for that, the core value includes the integrity, humanity, and excellence.
Hi Doctor, my name is Ng Ganqi and my matrix number is AF200161 and now I'm going to present about the project management. First, I'm going to present about project background. The project title is about Sunway University Kajang Branch, which the location of this project is located at Kajang, Selangor, Malaysia, and the area is surrounded by Saljana Impian, Impian Golf Country Club, Taman Mesra, and Taman Impian Kasih. The land area that we'll use for construction facility are 4-block academic buildings and a 4-story library, and a 2-block laboratory and a 4 on-campus dormitories building. And the developer is Sunway Construction Group Berhad. An engineering consultant and contractor also based on Sunway Construction Group Berhad. An estimate date of developing project is from May 2024 to April 2029, which take about 5 years. Next, I will present about life cycle cost. Life cycle cost is a summation cost that which involve product, structure, service, and system during a project lifespan. It used to reduce the total cost and making decision from planning activities and cost and equipment from the overall project. Life cycle costs include in 2 phases, which are acquisition phases and operation phases. We can know from the diagram below. And the type of the cost related in the project from those phases are investment cost, working capital, operation and maintenance cost, and disposal cost. So the potential of life cycle cost have saving is higher in acquisition phase compared to operation phase due to there are a large involvement of skilled people such as engineer, architecture, and surveyor. However, the cumulative life cycle cost of the operation phase is higher compared to acquisition phase is because it might take a long duration to finish the project in the phases. So in engineering and manufacturing, life cycle costing is used to design goods that minimize cost from the customer to set up, use, and get rid of them. So the life cycle costing is used in the field of field service and customer support to minimize the warranty, replacement, and field service work on goods that have reached the end of their useful lives.
Hi Doctor, my name is Lin Yan with matric number F200174. I will present the company performance part. For the company performance, it refers to how well the company meets its objective and goals. It can be evaluated by financial indicator and non-financial indicator. For the financial indicators such as revenue growth and return on investment, the non-financial factors are customer satisfaction and sustainability effort. There are 3 key financial statements which are balance sheet, income statement, and cash flow statement. Then we move to the balance sheet. Balance sheet is reflect to statement of financial position, which shows the asset, liability, and owner's equity, where the assets are liability plus owner's equity. The figure below shows the balance sheet of Samcon. We can observe that the total liability and equity in 2022 is the highest in the nearest 5 years, which is 2,236,048 ringgit Malaysia. Next, income statement focuses on the company revenues, expenses, gains, and losses for a specific duration. This statement reflects the management efficiency and company operations. The figure below is the income statement of Samcon. From here, we can know that the income revenue is increasing from year 2020 to year 2022 from 1,552,652 ringgit Malaysia to 2,155,231 ringgit Malaysia. Lastly, we will discuss about the cash flow statement, which focus on summarize the movement of cash and cash equivalent that enter and leave a business. Figure below is cash flow statement of Samcon, where we can summarize into 3 parts, which are operating cash flow, investing cash flow, and financing cash flow. The operating cash flow shows negative due to the project in India. The investing cash flow and financing cash flow is positive due to the increase in disposal of investment and drawn down of Singapore loan for India project respectively.
Good day, Doctor. My name is Lim Joy, matric number F2000149. Today I'm going to present about the analysis of life cycle costs. As we all know, in every business, we have to have a well-structured business plan. So we have to ensure the cost efficiencies in the project constructions. In our project, we have to borrow 10 million from the loan provider. So we have surveyed a few loan provider, and this table shows the loan provider with annual turnover and also the interest rate. After comparing, we select the MIDF soft loan scam for small and medium enterprises as the loan able to borrow up to 10 billion with only 4% interest rate. And then we also check the requirements, and our company definitely fulfill them. After that, we also have a few methods to calculate the total amount of repayment that needed to pay back after the 8 years, including the interest. So there will be 4 plans, and to calculate and also evaluate the best plan. So in the table 1 shows the plan 1, which is to pay in 5 equal end of year payment, where each year will pay approximately 1.5 million at the end of the year, while plan 2 is to pay 1.25 million with the interest due, which varies every year, and the amount decreases as the year increases. And this table shows plan 3, which is to pay the interest due at the end of each year and the principal at the end of the 8th year. So at the early stage, we only have to pay 400,000 each year. Until the 8th year, we have to pay everything. Lastly is the plan 4. The plan 4, which is to pay the principal and also the interest in one payment at the end of the 8th year, where no payment is made at the early stage, but only just to pay everything at the end of the 8th year. So 4 plans are summarized into this table, and plan 2 is chosen as it is payable for a construction project that has no profit at the early stage of 5 years. So this plan has a lower repayments than plan 4, although it has a higher than plan 1 and plan 2. It is recommended to not pressure the financial at the early stage of constructions.
In the project, we consider for 3 parts, which are costs, benefits, and disbenefits. The cost is needed for the building construction, insurance of the building, and the architectural design of the building. So for the benefits, the community is developing and growing, and it makes a new workplace and jobs for people. It also generates income to the locals and the local business. And the last one is provide more people with the opportunity with higher education. However, it has also these benefits, which is loss of wild habitats in the excavated area. Based on the table from the comparison between site A and the site B, we can see that the benefit in 5 years is higher than the project cost operating and maintenance cost for the site A, while for the site B, the benefit in 5 years is not enough to cover the project cost, operating and maintenance costs. Total benefit in 5 years, which is 60,236,000, and benefit per year, which is 3,247,200. So total operating and maintenance cost, which is 547,000 ringgit. Total project loan for 8 years, which is 30,200,000 ringgit. For the total investment cost, it is 30,415,024 ringgit. So we assume the study period is 20 years and MARR is 10%. So based on the table, we can get the 8.5136 and 0.11746. Based on the compound interest table, conventional BC ratio with PW, which is 1.97, is larger than 1. So this project is acceptable. Modified BC ratio with PW, which is 2.06, and it is larger than 1, so this project is acceptable. And conventional BC ratio with AW, and it also get 2.06, which is larger than 1. And last one is modified BC ratio with AW. The answer is 2.017, which is larger than 1. So these all are acceptable for the project.
Good day, Doctor. My name is Koman Kit, and now I will present the work breakdown structure of this project. First of all, a work breakdown structure is a systematic breakdown of a project into distinct phases, specific deliverables, and individual work packages, arranged in a hierarchical manner. This process is decomposing the whole of the project work into smaller, more feasible jobs using a hierarchical approach. The work breakdown structure is in efficient project management by enabling tasks to be defined, timelines to be created, risks to be assessed and mitigate, control mechanisms to be implemented, and project to be organized. It facilitates the organization of tasks into logical groups, which in turn enables comprehensive planning, estimate, tracking, and cost management of many components of the project. This figure illustrates the WBS of the project. They consists of 3 levels of the WBS. In level 1, it is a construction of a community college, and in level 2, there are total 8 sub-levels, which are project start, preliminaries, substructure work, superstructure work, mechanical and electrical work, architecture work, infrastructure, and final acceptance. And in the level 3 is the sub works of this in level 2. In the conclusion, maintaining a stable financial position is crucial for a construction organization, and a solid understanding of engineering economics is essential for making wise financial decisions. Financial stability directly impacts a construction business' ability to invest in innovation, launch new projects, and navigate economic downturns. To enhance competitiveness and sustainability, minimizing the life cycle cost of the project is vital. Strategic methodologies like life cycle cost analysis, value engineering, and sustainable practice help optimize project costs while ensuring functionality and quality. Collaboration among stakeholders is key to finding cost-saving options throughout a project's life cycle. Proactive risk management, precise forecasting, and comprehensive feasibility study contribute to better decision-making and improve financial results. The cost-benefit ratio, CBR, serves as a financial indicator with a ratio greater than 1, indicating economic feasibility. For Sunway University Kajang Branch project, all compute PCR, CBR value exceed 1.97, suggesting potential profitability from the development.